Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fetching the latest updates from a remote GitHub repository and merging them seamlessly into your local workspace. Imagine your team members have uploaded new features or you have made changes from a completely different computer and you need your current folder to reflect those exact updates. Begin by opening your terminal, command prompt, or Git Bash app directly inside the root directory of your project folder. Before pulling anything, it is always an excellent habit to run git status to ensure your own local files are completely clean and committed. Once you verify your workspace is ready, simply type out the core command, git pull space origin space main, ensuring you swap out the word main if your repository utilizes a different default branch name, like master. Press enter, and Git will immediately communicate with the remote server, analyze the differences, download the missing commits, and automatically update your local files in real time. You will instantly see a summarized breakdown of all the files added or modified, meaning your local environment is now perfectly synchronized and ready for you to keep coding. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.